Oh, Mum, I can see your arm. Move over a little bit. Okay. Hi, I'm Samira Ibrahim. I own and run a marketing consulting agency based in LA called Amalia Consulting, and this is my pandemic packed out. I wouldn't advise everything that you see in this video, but I'm going to share some learnings with you and hopefully you can just have a good laugh. First, ask yourself what is the most efficient way to move. I clearly didn't ask myself this question. Currently sitting in my bed, getting the energy to pack. When am I going to wear this? When am I ever going to wear this again? But look how fucking fabulous it is. Jesus. I got this coat for £50 in Amsterdam. The key thing here is that I can lift the box because I'm moving myself. Oh yeah, okay. Old Celine, who remembers it? I didn't even know there was one inside. Amazing. You know, some things you're like, oh, do I get rid of them or do I keep them? Clothes have such sentimental value, you know? Like this skirt. Definitely have a moment to psych yourself up. Learn how to build things. Let's build a bed. I'm gonna build a table and chairs in a second. And if you can't build anything, find someone useful who can do something for you. Woo! Couch! Unpack at your own pace. Or like maybe not at all. Eek!
And love can't be taught without the breaking of hearts. Without a stain on her trust, I still feel the pain in the hug.
Make sure that your fridge is stocked with all the essentials. This is everything you need to know about me. Take a second to chill. Breathe. Get some fresh air, go for a bike ride, read a book, cook something, take a moment for yourself. How does it look? It looks great. Maintaining the capacity for joy is critical to the struggle for justice. Try not to go crazy. It's easier said than done. Document your move. Who knows when you're going to want to look back on this time. The anti-blackness at the heart of white fear is predicated on a misrecognition of the humanity of black people. Call or see friends with a mask, of course, if you see them, but make sure you talk to your people, check in with them. May you have gut-busting belly laughter every day. May you ask more and better questions. May your rage be a force for good. May your curiosity be unceasing. You got this. We've got this.